Hi guys, and welcome to UX UI Design Fundamentals, from beginner to intermediate. I'm glad that you're taking this course because this course will give you the foundations you need in order to become a web designer. I will dive deeper into how to design correctly so that at the end of the course you will be able to design your own software products. You will be able to land an internship or even to work in a company as a designer. I'm not just going to show you how to do it, I will make sure you understand design at a deeper level because believe me when I tell you that a great designer is not the one that only chooses a good color and makes things look pretty. Instead, a great designer understands what design means, what it does, and why it's so important for building great products. I really believe that the ability to think as a designer is much more important than knowing the tools or some techniques. If you can't pick colors as good as someone else does, that's just a matter of time to get good at. Believe me. What's most important is creating that good design, a design that works. Sorry. You will understand how design solves problems, creates value, and entertain people. Also, I will not teach you Sketch or Adobe XD or Figma. I'm going to talk about them, but just and what I think of them. But there are far more better teachers on the internet that could teach you these tools. As I said, I will teach you design, not just playing with the tools, because that's the easiest part. Just to give you a quick overview of some of the aspects that we will go through. What is UI and what is UX? What really design stands for? How design makes life easier? What's the difference between UX and UI and how those two work together to create a great design? What is user persona, user flow, or user journey also called? What are uh, what are the principles of good interface design? That's exactly how and why a particular page looks so good. We will talk about typography, colors, images, font combinations. This course also will include the psychology of colors, so you can understand the colors and pick them wisely, and you will know how to make pages look readable. Other subjects that we'll go through are in practice are user research, wireframing, usability testing, intuitive design, responsive design, and how the eyes work on a screen, how to work with a theme, because that's important, and many more. And I'm even going to talk to you about golden ratio, because I told you guys I will not just show you how to put some buttons on a page, but I will make you understand more than the average designer. So that you start with the right foot your professional designer career, and I will help you think as a designer. I will show you, and I will show you how I think along the way. This course will make you from a beginner to an intermediate designer. I will help you through this journey. But you have to promise me that you will be attentive and you will put in the hard work. Because, guys, things just don't happen fast. You will need perseverance. That's the way of getting good and landing a job. If you're familiar with some of the subjects I will be teaching, you can also benefit from this since it covers a lot of aspects in the design industry. And I'm just going to end with a quote by Steve Jobs. He said, "Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works." And that's exactly, guys, what I'm going to teach you. Oh, by the way, you can leave comments and reviews. If the course is great, just give it a good review. If it sucks, let me know. I want to know your sincere opinion. So, without any further ado, let's jump into it.